everybody, welcome to my weekly recommendations. Today I just want to cover fall. So we did our changeover in the store. We're geared up for fall. We got some really great mums and coleus, a bunch of really nice fall products in stock, along with some decor. We will be moving to a different part of the store and give you a little preview of the decorations that we have out. But I also wanted to cover fall in general is a great time to plant. So the temperatures will be cooling off, we will be getting more rain, and it's the ultimate time to plant trees, shrubs, perennials, and also to do your swap outs from the hot, dry summer. Stuff probably isn't looking real great. So if you need a little pop of color, put some mums in there, put any other annuals in to bring your garden back to life. So one plant I wanted to cover is, this is a scarlet eggplant, and it's called pumpkin on a stick. So as this matures, we defoliate, we pull off all the leaves so you can actually see the fruit, and the fruit turns orange just like a pumpkin. And you can actually dry these stems and just use them for decorations for years to come. But this plant is alive, and you can plant it in the ground or in a pot, or you can hang it and dry it and then save it for years to come. It's a really cool plant. It's new for us this year. And we're in the section of the store, we have all the fall decorations. Just want to give you a little preview of everything we got. Good stuff to put on the wall. Got a lot of different picks that you can choose from that you could spruce up your container gardens out on the porch. Put an extra little pop of color in there. And don't forget, Doug Oster is coming this Thursday at 6 p.m. He's going over fall planting and fall gardening tips, bulbs, cleanup, maintenance and stuff to get you through winter. Put your landscape beds to rest for the winter. So make sure you hop online. We're actually doing that. We're selling tickets for virtually and to actually come in the store. So you can go either way. So Thursday at 6, be sure to tune in. And that's it for this week. Oh, one last thing. We have landscape cleanups now going on. We are scheduling for fall. So if you don't want to do it yourself, our landscape team will come out and do it for you. So thanks again. Have a great week.